minute. I need to raise my bag this way. Hi. Yeah, we have a reservation. It's not very far. This is the room that we're staying. It looks very, very clean. I recommend for you guys to sign up Hilton Honors, because they have some rewards that will earn you points and will give you some perks. But this is the room. When you go in, on the left is a large mirror. Hello. And this is the Hampton Inn and Suites, Muncie, Indiana. Ooh, the bathroom is very, very clean. And look at that wallpaper. That's very, very nice. Clean, clean, clean. Let's do that. They have the usual towels over there, body lotion, hand soap, large mirror, and some bar soap over here. The sink is very, very clean. Nice. And then there's a hair dryer. Toilet bowl is clean. And more towels that way. Trash can. And then shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And like I said, this wallpaper is gorgeous. And then the shower. Okay, now we check the pressure. Okay. Good pressure, power pressure. Okay, now we go on to the room. Okay, when you go inside, this way over here is the closet where you can hang your stuff, keep your luggage, and keep the room organized and clean. And over here is the bedroom. We got the 2 queen bed. Really good, pretty sized room. Yeah. Clean sheets, super clean. And then let's turn on this lighting for some ambience lighting. And then here's the bed, the second bed. And then over here on the other side is a mirror and a desk where you could use your computer. And then they have a safe, or maybe this is a refrigerator. Okay, there's a refrigerator. Okay, and then they have a microwave. You could warm your food, warm water if you want cup noodles. And then it's personalized. It says here, welcome Rhea. That's awesome. And then over here is another mirror. Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Some wall decor over there, and coffee maker, and some ice container. And the chair, whoa, that chair is nice. It's denim material there, and a very good air conditioning. And outside the view is to the beautiful Muncie, Indiana, the home of Ball State University. So that's it, guys. And then here another thing where you can set your luggage and other stuff while you stay over here. And then there's a hanger, coat hanger over here. Yeah, pretty good. I forgot to zoom in their headboard, guys. That is a really cool feature there. Anyways, I just want to feature that headboard. And then their wallpaper. Alright, that's cool too. Know where to go anyways. Alright.
Show them the ice center.
So from the outside, getting out from the elevator, this is the view. This is the view. This is the wall art. They have like a table console over there and the wall art. And then they have an ice machine on this floor. We're on the 4th floor. Ice machine right there. So you just push that and then get ice for your whatever you use. Oh, it's not free. You need to
No, it's out of order.
Oh, right now it's out of order. Mine. I didn't realize that, but if in case you need one, then maybe you can go in a different floor. Okay. Elevator looks very, very clean. Okay, let's do 1. This is their wall art by the elevator on the ground floor. Okay, right when you get out of it, this is their lobby. And then over here they have like coffee machine, caffeinated or decaffeinated. And then over here they have a small vending machine where you can just buy some basic stuff. They even have a microwave if you want to bring some ramen cup noodles, and then some chips and chocolates, and then they even have our favorite yakisoba noodles there, and then mac and cheese, some Oreos and some drinks over here. So that's a good one, right? And then over here is to the left is the fitness center. Let's go to the fitness center. Okay, and then they have like a waiting area over there. Going to the fitness center. They have one meeting room. If you are like some businesses would have meetings in hotels, they have that here. And the fitness room is over here. Okay, well, they have laundry. So if you want to do your laundry, you can do it. Let's go in here. They have a for guest laundry. If you're staying like long term or I don't know, a week and that you needed to do your laundry. So you have to have your own product though. And then you put in $1.50 for the washing machine, and then $1.50 for dryer. Washing machine dryer. So it's pretty, you know, reasonable. And then a chair there to wait for your laundry to finish. That's good. Oh, and then a working ice dispenser. Okay. And then the ice would drop in. The mechanical room, bathroom. The lady in the front desk said, a water that would dispense in a water bottle. The lady in the front desk said, we don't have to worry about bringing the towels in the pool because they have towels in here, but let's check out the pool. Ooh, yes, pretty decent size. This side over here is 3 feet. On that side is 5 feet, and I think it is heated. It looks like it's clean, and there are chairs over there. So I'm gonna show you some really like full view of it. We're gonna go swimming later, so we can take advantage of their amenities here, but that's the pool. Next stop is their fitness center. This one is open 24 hours. So if you're a workout junkie, then you work out 24. What? A gym rat? Okay, you work out 24/7. So this is the fitness center. Okay, so they have the basic stuff. So they have the bicycle, they have elliptical over here, and not right next to it is what do you call that? What do you call this machine? What do you call that machine? Bicycle. But there's a treadmill over here. Basic stuff. And then it looks like there's a screen on each machine where you can watch your show to entertain yourself, and some more exercise machine over here. And then over here, more stuff. There are weights, different pounds. You choose what you can do, right?
Yeah, up to 50.
Up to 50. And then there's exercise ball over here too, and then that one is another exercise ball. They do have Lysol to clean the equipment or the gym items or equipment before using it, so you can do that. And then they have a lot of towels for you to use, and then trash can. So that's it. Oops. It looks pretty well maintained actually, because even the carpeting on the floor is very clean. The reservation comes with full breakfast. It starts at 7 and it ends at 10, and then they have their checkout is 11. Pretty standard. So, but what I like about it is the cleanliness of the hallway. Even the walls are clean. And then over here, more seating. And then right across the check-in counter is where the breakfast is going to be set up the next day. So it's right there where you have a lot of people. We don't want to like invade their spaces. There are some people, they don't want their faces on an authorized video. But anyway, that's that, guys. Guys, the Hampton Inn and Suites here in Muncie is actually a walking distance to Rural King, what do you call that, other stores, IHOP. So it's pretty much a very convenient place here in Muncie, and there are a lot of restaurants nearby too. Anyway, I just want to point that out.